Welcome back to Cooking with Culture. Today we're going to be making some coffee, and this is just something really quick that you can make before class, and it's better than just putting in instant coffee. So yeah. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your instant coffee, and you can put it in whatever amount you want to. Me and Alissa are both using a cup, because that's just the easiest, but it's a 1-to-1 ratio to 1, whatever.
Yeah.
So whatever you do, you just have to keep the measurement consistent.
So basically, guys, Alissa was really smart and she got like this whole thing of instant coffee, but I wasn't, so I've been using like individual packets. So I suggest that you guys get like a big thing of instant coffee before you do this. I'm always the one that's like not understanding what's going on. I think one more and we should be good. So the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take a cup of sugar or whatever ratio that you use, and you're gonna take that amount and pour that in your bowl. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take a cup or whatever ratio you're using of water and make sure that it's warm and pour it in. So the next step is to whisk it, and you can either use a KitchenAid, which I don't have, so I'm just gonna use a whisk and start. Next step is to take however much you have been working with. So I'm gonna take that much and I'm gonna put it in my coffee. And then I'm gonna put it over this coffee and you just put it on top. And it should look something like this. Or to however much you put in. Oh wait, that's actually kind of good. So basically, me and Alissa both, we made way too much. So you can put it in a jar and put it in the fridge and then use it for later, but I'm gonna make some for my mom and dad because they also really like coffee. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys try this. You can do it before class. It's super quick and is honestly really good. And yeah, bye guys.